Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. This is look number 5. Can you believe it? 5, using a Morphe Icy Fantasy palette, and it's a beautiful pink and purple look, and I think that this it just screams flowers, and it's perfect for spring. And I love how it actually came out. I was iffy on it at first, but I actually really like how it came out. And it reminds me, now we already primed our lids, and I don't have any powder today to catch fallout, but there was barely any. The first shade we're picking up is a matte bubblegum pink, and we're just literally going to messily place that in the crease. We're using it as a transition shade and crease shade. What I was going to say just a minute ago is this look reminds me of a hard candy duo from way back in the day called Ab Fab, and I still have that in my collection, I believe. Just for nostalgic purposes, I never use it, but it was very beautiful. It had this beautiful shimmery pink in it and a hot pink, and it also had a shimmery purple. We're just placing that. We're going to build it up a little bit, go over it a couple times with the bubblegum pink shade, and just messily apply it in the crease up to the brow bone highlight area. This is the NYX Pigment Primer, and we're putting this on the lid so our lids will have something tacky on them for the next couple shades that are going to be applied to them. And mainly this is just an additional step. You don't have to do this. It will make your eyeshadows a little bit more pigmented though. This shade is a rose pink silk slip topper. Very beautiful, very pigmented, shimmery pink. It is beautiful. Now, I'm assuming you can apply these with a shader brush. You can apply these with your finger. You could probably apply these wet if you wanted. All beautiful outcomes. I've used my finger with these. I've used a brush. Right now, my favorite way to apply them is with the brush though, because the brush picks up more pigment in my opinion. Some of these though will apply a little bit better when you use your finger. It just differs, you know, from shadow to shadow. So we're just applying that on the lid, a little bit up into the crease. We're only applying it halfway onto the lid also. The shade we're picking up is a shimmering silvered purple. And I swear, if you still have that hard candy duo, you could totally recreate this look using that pink and purple in that. These shades are like identical to that. And I'm just applying that on what's left of the lid and in the outer corner, bringing it slightly up into the crease just for some more definition. And I'm using a pencil brush to do so. I'm really patting that on. This is being applied also to the lower lash line and really just kind of smoking that in down there. And we're going to be blending that silvered purple in with that bubblegum pink. Just go over that a few times, really buff and blend that together. And like I said, I really love how this look has come out. Like, it's so pretty and springy. And we're using the matte white to highlight with, like always. Applying that to the brow bone and blending it down into that bubblegum pink. We're going to pick up more of the bubblegum pink and blend all that together, make it seamless. And I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white to tightline with in the waterline. And it's going to bring more of a highlight there. I like that. It did white out my lashes a bit, so I went over with the silvered purple. And this shade here is a shimmering blush, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner with a very, very small pencil shader brush. It's a very beautiful, icy, blushy shade, perfect for the inner corner. So we're tightlining with the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. And I'm using the Maybelline Snapscara mascara in the purple shade. And I'm just applying a couple coats of that to the lashes because why not have purple lashes with a pink and purple look? I love how the lashes look on the lower lash line. They look awesome. And this is the Lacolors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. Beautiful nude pink lip gloss. Very beautiful. And that's our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I'm enjoying this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Stay tuned for more looks using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. Thank you so very much again for watching.